Hi guys. So today I'm going to show some user who is not running the retailing on Shopify store. So I'm going to show you guys how to use our app if you are not a Shopify user. So firstly, you still need to sign up from our the site. Okay, sorry. Um, Let me do it again. Okay, because I got an account already. So here, we're still doing the site. We're still doing the account by the name, email, your password, and then you create the account. Okay. So after you're doing this, then you can just log in. Because this is my test account, so I just log in. So when we log in, we can see the pages of dashboard about the order, sales, refund, profit you have made. Okay, and then your top products list. Then your most concern is the product page. Okay, in this part, the product page. So here you can see all the product pages here. Okay. So from the product page, the price, okay, this is the product price, and if your country is in our free shipping zone, that the shipping cost will be free here. So the system will track your login IP address. So it can help us to recognize which country you are in. So we will match the shipping cost according to your country. So if your country is in the shipping zone, is in the free shipping zone, so the shipping cost will be free shipping. Okay. This is a dispatching time, like 24 hours or 48 hours. Most of our products is dispatched within 48 hours. Okay, so unlikely with the Shopify user, you cannot integrate with your store. So that means you have download the product details from us manually. So here is the button, is a download button. You can just for example, I want to do maybe this one. Okay, because this is a trending product recently. I just download it. Okay, it will came in the CSV file. Then let's check of the details inside. Okay, here the CSV product file is very similar. It's very similar like the Shopify product seed. Okay. The title and the descriptions here. This is the descriptions here, and when the vendors are us, tag and options. Okay, the options. This is the options. Okay, it has the AU, EU, US, UK plug, and each options will have a specific SKU. So this is very important. Because this SKU code is what you need to fill in your listings on your store, no matter it is the Amazon, eBay, or anywhere else. Okay, here is the available stock, and here is the product cost price, and the next one is the images. So the images you can just and then here we go. Okay, so because most of the marketplaces will support the CSV product seeds for import the your product. So that means if you do some changes of the product file by matching up with your marketplace's request, and then you can just import all in one. Okay, so just one important thing is the product price, because for the product price, this is a price according to your shipping zone. That means if your country is in the free shipping zone, okay, so the variant price should be including the shipping. That means free shipping cost. But what if your country is not in the shipping zone, and you want to, especially if you want to sell to multi countries, so you have to go back to our product page through our WeFulfill site. This site where you just sign up with us. Okay, so you find the product page. Okay, you find the product page and you just search. Okay, you just search it, and then okay. Okay, now let's go back to the so say if you have imported the product to your store, and then if you got the order from your store and you want to place with us, so let's go to the order list. It is not the integrated systems with your store. That means we have to do things. You have to do things manually for getting the orders to us. So that's two way for getting the orders to us. The first way is you just add the new orders here one by one. You just search the product with us. Okay, search the product with us, and you fill in all the shipping details. So that is honestly that is very slow way, which means you have to adapt each orders manually. That takes a lot of time. But there's another way. So we can just use some CSV file to import all the products in just one place. So let's have a try. Okay, so here, remember, here is a CSV file for the format. You know, the order has to be imported to our system through the CSV format. That means the orders could be matched up with our system automatically. Okay, here is the example CSV file. Okay, let's get it down. Okay, you see, that's too much. I just use one order for example. Okay, just use this one. Okay, you see, here's the order ID where you can track with your orders through our system. Quantity, SKU, as I have told, the SKU is very important. The SKU is the option SKU. It's a specific option SKU where your customer bought for anything from you. And the name, address, city, the postal code, country, province, contact phone, email, and order date. The email you can just put your email or just leave it. It's okay. But remember, there's order date. Just added that. Okay, I can take an example of. Okay, I can just take an example and let me do some changes. So you don't want to be getting some conflict with the original test order. So I can save it to my desktop. Okay, Then I can go back to the page, in order page, import. Okay, so let me find the file here. Okay, here we go. Okay. Sorry, there is some mistakes. There's some mistakes. Here, this SQ. Okay. Okay, here this SQ. Then close down the. Now I'm trying to import. Okay. Okay, here you go. Just the problem happens because the SQ was not putting on correctly. So now it's done. I'm getting the SQ correctly. So in this way, I have already import the orders, and then I can choose whatever I want to pay. Because the wallet pay is for free without any bank fee, so I just use this one and I pay it. Okay, it is processed. So now in your order page, so the order is paid. Okay, and now you can just wait for our system to processing your order and send it back the tracking, so where you can find it from here. And then you can also track the orders from here. Okay, so if the orders in fulfilled or dispatch the status, you can just download all the pending orders. Okay, and